Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. With spring right around the corner and a new detailing season soon to be upon us, there are many updated formulas and new products from companies that are now available, and I scooped up as many as I can. We're going to take a look at a small fraction of them today, so let's get right into it. Three groups of products here on the table from three different product lines. One I've never tried before, two I am familiar with and enjoy, and they have additional new products for the upcoming season. The first grouping is from AM Details. I have not had the pleasure of trying any of these products yet, from clay bars to acid-free wheel cleaners, all-purpose cleaners, hybrid shampoos. We also have hybrid sealants, luxury car bubbles, snow foams, shampoos, iron removers, and pre-wash snow foams. So looking forward to trying out this group. The next grouping I came across a little over a year ago before they were available in the US, and now they are. Fireball, and I have enjoyed many of their products. From spray-on, rinse-off sealants to standalone SiO2 spray sealants to coatings to shampoos, just about everything you can think of, all the way up and down a product line is available. Even some weird stuff here, an SiO2 tire coating that has metallic flake in it. Very interesting. And the next group has been around for quite some time, but they have new upgraded formulas and brand new additions as well, including wheel cleaners, SiO2 detailers, wax, hydrophobic wax, foam, and a whole bunch of new products to bring to the table for this upcoming season. Very excited. Hey, if you're not familiar with Gyeon products and you want to have the experience without having to buy in on all of these products, you can get these sample packs as well. So, we're going to be taking a look at these products. Let me know down in the comment section what has your interest piqued, what you would like to see, and I can make something happen. Okay, let's clear the table for round two, and the first group is the Workstuff detailing brushes. My first set held up rather well, so as you can see here, we have more in. We have the old classic detail brushes with the soft bristles, and the other sets with bristles that can take different types of jobs on and also hold up to different types of chemicals as well. Also, a wash mitt here for the wheels. As you can see, they're stitched to slide your fingers in between, and that will help get in between the spaces of intricate wheel designs. And also, can't wait to try out and show you the Vonix products now available in the US, a Brazilian company known for their T1 Carnauba. And we have liquid waxes here, all-in-ones, ceramic coatings, and tin waxes as well. And finally, a product from Dr. Beasley that has my attention because of its sheeting property. A spray ceramic coating that can protect for up to 1 year, which is inorganic, which means it has no hydrogen carbon molecules. This is a simple spray and wipe coating, and since we have a little bit of time here, we're going to test a little bit on this Range Rover. It can be used as standalone, a topper, or to guard a ceramic coating as it just starts its curing process, which is what we're doing right here. A simple spray on wipe off formula. The coating can be applied in direct sunlight, on wet and on dry surfaces, which will make a lot of people happy. When it comes to a dry application, you can spray it directly onto the panel and then massage it in and wipe it off. I like to use this applicator pad, ensures nice, even coverage on each panel. You'll know you're working with a substantial coating with this product. Make sure you have 2 microfibers, one to do the initial wipe and a second one to buff to perfection. Can be used to protect all external hard surfaces of your car, truck, or motorcycle, or boat, or RV. Headlights, taillights, plastic trim, aluminum, chrome, and wheels. Another aspect of the product that will make a lot of people happy is the cure time, 45 minutes to an hour. Let it sit undisturbed, and this is the results you will be looking at. And the next opportunity I get, I will put it on a test panel and we'll put the product through its paces. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If anything caught your eye, caught your attention, and you want to see it, mention it down in the comments section, and of course, I'm going to put something together. Brian from Apex Detail, I'll catch you in the next video.